Hey there, and welcome to the How to HQ. Today we are going to be exploring a graphics design tool named PIXLR. This is going to be a very short video, so buckle your seat and sit tight. Okay, so if this is also your first time on this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. The How to HQ is where you get how to videos on digital platforms and everything digital. Really, we might not teach you how to button your shirt, right, but we might just teach you how to create a shirt with an AI. All right, let's get right into it. So PIXLR is just like Photoshop plus Canva, and it's got its own unique features. It's free photo editing and design tools with a sprinkle of artificial intelligence, and it's not hard to sign in. As you can see here, you can generate images with AI or remove background, remove an object, create a collage, crop an image, or create a template library. Now, of course, if you know what Canva does, you know that Canva most likely would be able to do more than this. So we're just going to try to sign up or log in. This should be a very seamless process. Let's just try it out. So once you click your email address and you sign in, as you can see up here, your name would show. So this is the name of the account we're using at the moment, and you can just start a quick design project here or start editing a photo here. So here you can edit a photo the same way you'll be able to do on Photoshop, and you can create a quick and easy design the same way you do on Canva. So let's quickly check what it's like to create a design. So let's start a design here. Okay, this is just an ad. So these are for you to choose the frames, the templates you want to work with. This is for a YouTube thumbnail, and if you're working with an Instagram story or YouTube art or just Pinterest, whatever it is. So you just scroll and it will show you what you're working with. This is for LinkedIn company and Twitter posts and all of that. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see templates that you can easily click on and edit. So let's do something really quickly with this. Okay, so let's come here, and when you see this sign, that means it's for premium. Once you hover your button on top of it, you would know whether it's premium or not. But let's just try to go back to this one and see if we can use this template. Click on it. And there you go. So now it's asking for you to unlock the template, and I believe that will take us straight to purchasing. And you can purchase this for $1, or you can do 7 days premium. Yay! So if you want to just try out PIXLR, you can just try out the 7 days of free premium and see whether or not you are interested. But you've got to be careful. Do not forget that it's 7 days, so that they don't end up charging your card when you have decided that you're not interested. Okay, so we're going to go back. Now, you cannot download this design at the moment. As you can see, it's got the crosses, the checkbox on it. So if you download it, it's not going to make sense. But let us try to see if we can download it. So we're going to come here to save, click on save, and it brings us back here. So you will be unable to download unless you have paid for the app or you're on the 7 days free premium. So let's go back now and check out what the payment options are, what the pricing strategy they're working with is. So we'll come here, click try premium. Yeah, so we've got $0.99 per month, which is not bad if you compare it with Canva or Adobe. Premium $4.90 per month, 7 days free, and for your teams you could do $9.91 per month. Not so bad. Let's go back and see how we can edit an image and if that would require us to have to pay for anything. Now that we're back at the home page, we click on open image. Let's see where that takes us. We're going to click on an image that we would like to edit. here. So you can either add the image as a layer in a document you're already creating, or create a new document entirely. So we're just going to create a new document. Click on that, and here we go. If you can see, the layout is sort of different from Canva. I would not say it is easier than Canva, but it's just a bit different. And once you hover your cursor on any of the icons, you figure out what it's for. Okay, let's say we want to do just adjust and filter. So you can click on auto, and it fixes all the automatical errors that you can see. As you can see, this looks brighter than it was before. Let's see if we can change the scene. Vignette a little bit. I think that's not a little bit. Let's take it back a bit. Yeah. Let's see what glamour does. It's not so crazy. I think we just want to do a little bit of that. And then bloom. I'm just messing around here. So this makes it unnecessarily bright. And I'm not sure that we want that. Do we want to de-haze it? No, we do not. Do we? Now this looks like a uniform, a correctional facility uniform. And we don't want that. So let's compare. Once you click this, it compares with what you had before, and I think what we have is pretty good. So let's come here to save. It would ask what format we want, and I want PNG, so let's save PNG, and let's see what happens. There you go. Miss. Okay. And there we go. So we do not have to pay to do that. But unfortunately, you have 1 out of 3 saves. We just used 1 out of 3 daily saves. So every day you get 3 daily free saves, and that is it. Okay. If you want more than that, you have to go for the 7 days of free premium. I don't think this is such a bad deal. I'm sure some people will still choose Canva over this. But let me know in the comment section if Canva does it better for you than PIXLR. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, ask your questions, but make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you enjoyed this video and it was quite helpful to you.